I think you just ran the red. Are you gonna stop back there? No. Stop tailgating. Stop tailgating. Hey! Oh, the stop sign. No turning red. Hi, hello, Surf Pro. There's someone there, you shithead. No way! Hey! The fuck, dude? GS Delivery Services Incorporated. Thank you. Come on. Nope. Sorrento Seafood, you're not supposed to be in that lane. Nope. Oh, yes you did. Yep. Thank you. What? No. Fuck you, douche. Whoa! The fuck? Stupid old shit! Look at this. The fuck? Get your fucking dog out of your lap, you moron. Get up my ass. This is jerk again. GS Delivery Services LLC. Are you going straight from the turn lane? You went straight from the turn lane. That was a cutoff. Jesus. Okay. All right. Yeah. All right. Yeah. All right. Yeah. If you weren't turning, you leotard. Yeah. Turn here. Why did you do that if you weren't exiting? Alright, slow the frick down. Asshole. Flex ass. Dark right, Lex ass. There we go. Oh, exit dive. Don't cut me off. Thank you. Pass fail. Hi, is someone coming perhaps? I don't know. Hello, 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 it's Merge, hello. Wakey, wakey. Hey, you idiot. Camroid J-O-Tard. There's a cutoff for no freaking reason. Nice. The frig was that? Cut her off, okay. And he's shaking his head like he's not at fault. Okay. Yeah. Stop before you turn. Don't hit me. Hello. 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 It's my car. Don't hit it. Thank you. Alright, cue the graphic. Thanks. Wow. Oh, dude, cut the shit, will ya? You see this guy in front of me? Get off my ass. Dollars to donut, she rolls the stop up here. Don't hit me, thank you. And she rolled it as predicted.